Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today I have a really cool car. This is a 1937 Jaguar SS100 Replica. It's got Pete here, the builder and owner of many years, and let's tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Pete? How we doing today?
Okay.
Nice car, man. That's cool. So when did you build it?
1981.
1981. A little over 16,000 miles on the build too, right? And what's it built on? A Beetle?
It's built on a Beetle.
Okay.
And the engine's in the back.
Wow.
And the front is extended 18 inches.
Very cool.
I have the original manual for building from the kit car company.
Wow.
I also have the shop manual for the Beetle.
Cool.
So they want to get the whole thing.
Yeah, it's super reliable. Turn the key and go, right?
It goes. Very dirty engine in the car, but you know that's was basically designed in the 20s, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Early 30s, the engine.
Very cool. It's a lot of car for the money, I'd say.
Well, you know, it was a Nazi car.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah. Very cool. Love the color combination you picked. Very different. So what size is the motor? 1600 or?
Something like that, whatever the standard Beetle engine is.
Okay. Cool. Fiberglass body. Tires look great shape. You have a
The platform at the bottom is fiberglass, the original metal was all old.
Sure, yeah.
So the battery used to be on the Ducati, now it's up front.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all fiberglass. So it's not like metal.
Yeah, nice and light.
Yeah.
Must be a blast to drive, huh?
It's fun to drive.
Huh. Yeah, 4-speed manual, right? Very cool. Yeah. It's got like a Monza exhaust on it. It's got a real nice sound. Definitely a real Jaguar emblem. Pretty cool. Super reliable, great on gas. That's 16,216 miles. Very clean. Garage cap. It's got a top too, right?
Yeah, no, top goes up. Now, push the top up because I had a hollow top get in from the top down. My wife can't get in at all.
Okay.
Absolutely not at all.
Wow. So how old are you now?
86.
86.
So it's time to,
I'm gonna let somebody else enjoy it for a little while, right?
yeah, but you know, it's time to say, all right, somebody else get a shot.
Very cool. Love it. Very unique.
You know, it's poor man's kind of car. Somebody just can't afford 50,000.
Yeah. It's great to get around. It looks like $1 million, but it doesn't cost you $1 million. And this is a trunk up front. Right here is where the battery is, a little storage.
You want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, and the gas tank's up front too. Very cool. How long did it take you to build it?
I built it one summer.
Very cool.
You spent a lot of time on doing it.
Oh, sure, yeah. Very cool.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Thank you so much for showing us the car. It's absolutely cool. Guys, if you have any questions at all, hit us up. Hit that subscribe button too. Visit the website, weebyautos.com, and you can reach me at 631-339-0399. Thanks.